Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just came back from Utah, or the Taw, as my friend Amanda likes to call it. This is episode 2 of The Weekend Warrior. Although it's not the weekend, but it felt like one, so we just gonna keep it rolling like that. I don't got too much to say, so I'm gonna let this clip roll. Me and my family went to Utah and had a little vacation. So hope you guys enjoy it. Check it out. We're gonna roll out from here. What's up, what's up, what's up? Taking a road trip to Zion with the familia. Say hi, everyone. Jern and Sleep. We're gonna take a trip, hit the mountains. Got a nice little house. Okay, goodbye. Made it to Zion National Park. There's so many people here. We can't find any parking. They got caves in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, they do. Awesome. See, there's a trail over here. There's a trail over here. You can try it. Nice camera. Still works. Nice, nice. Don't fall, don't fall. Next trail, Emerald Pools Trailhead.
They're both closed. The lower and the upper is closed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There's some kind of rock wall over there.
We're trying to figure out how to get there.
You're both closed. We're trying to figure out how to get there. She was right.
Remember there used to be this one train.
Guess we can go to the left. Did you hear something over there?
What's right here?
What is it?
It's a lizard?
Yeah. Oh, he's gone now.
He's right there. Oh. Lizard? Yeah.
Yep.
Where? What is it? Oh,
Lizard? Yeah.
What is that?
Look how he's checking the lizard out, bro. Bro, it's right there. It's not even far.
this is a photo, video, binoculars.
Oh, what? My bad, bro. Horse trail? Dang it. Should we rent some horses?
Yeah, they come out and they go down across them.
Horsey. Ah, yo no sabía tan caballo.
Let's see how much it is.
Yeah.
My man sleep. Just pulled up to the Airbnb. First reaction. Next spot we headed to, just to check it out, Sand Hollow Lake or Sand Hollow Beach. All right, guys, we'll see you when we get to the lake. We're actually at Quail Creek Lake because we're too cheap to pay to get into Sand Hollow. I mean, we're only there to just check it out anyway because we're gonna be back tomorrow. So, here it is. So far, Utah is different. I ain't hating though, man. Just kind of doing my thing. We got some steaks and shrimp being prepared at the crib. Be ready for that. Tonight, we break open the Chianti. Had this for a long time. It's time. You're not ready for medium rare.
Huh?
You ready for medium rare?
I've been doing medium rare, dude.
Why are you scared?
Saying that? You just said rare.
Well, it's every day. It's every day.
More on the rare
Let me
side.
get some more.
If you want
How was it? Did you try it?
I already had this. A long time ago.
Okay.
Isn't that it right there? Should I make
So red wine vinegar, rice wine vinegar.
The dinner was super fire. You know, we had to kind of overdo it a little bit, get around the dinner table, get the wine glass. Probably my favorite part of the trip. We don't really get to do too much holiday, so when we do, try to have some fun. Day 2, we went back to Zion. Again, a lot of it was closed, so we kind of just made up our own trip, but we did get to see this really cool river area where we can go and hop in the lake or hop in the river, and you can see my brother and my pops doing that. And then we went to Sand Hollow Lake. As previously, we were supposed to on the first day just to check it out. Went the second day, and it was a lot more fun, so check this out. It's pretty cool. How's the view, Jerm?
Hella jump right here.
This river. It smells like somebody doo-dooed out here. I wish man, look how nice it looks. Damn. My swim trunks. I fucked up. I'm gonna get my feet wet. What's up, Poppy? Oh shoot, I'm old. My feet cold as hell, bro. Woo! Feel like I'm still wearing socks. All right, let me get back. That's enough for me, y'all. Sand Hollow Lake, baby. Not really a water dude, but today I'm gonna be a water guy. So, wish us luck. What do I get on now? Or should I sit on it? Pause. All right, let me get on my knees, pause. Ugh. Bro, I can't, how you keep it straight? God dang it. I'm about to stand up. Oh shit. Oh. 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 Shit, bro. Okay, hold on. We good. Hold on. Let me just oh shit. Oh. don't even know if I'm moving. My fucking life jacket smells like cigarettes. Big time complaining right now, but it's all good. There's no way I'm surviving in water. I got all the tools right now. I got a floating device, I got a life vest, and I got a paddle. And I don't even know how to move. But look at this is dope. That's how far I am, son. Mad far. I think I figured it out. How do y'all move so eloquently, bro? I see you, Germ. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ah. Feels good. That looks fun. Oh! 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 Let's get it. I don't know what to do. Hey! Okay. God damn! Damn, I'm tired, bro. Woo! Oh boy. Again, we're at Sand Hollow Beach. Do a little paddle boarding, probably can chill here for a little bit. Oh, snaps. Yo, it's mad wavy. Oh, I was about to tip. All right, it's our last day. Tomorrow we head back to Vegas. And that'll be the end of our little vacation, little family vacation, little holiday. It's been a pleasure, man. Appreciate y'all for joining us. Shouts to everybody that tuned in. All right, y'all, peace. So yeah, that was my first time paddle boarding. And gotta say, ever since I turned 30, balance kind of took a step back. It's one of my main skill sets. But nonetheless, I think I figured it out. But I appreciate y'all for tuning in to the Weekend Warrior. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this view, this sunset, while I bomb this hill. I'll see you guys next time. Peace and love.